Hello all, welcome back to our channel Learn with the Learner. This video is about IP examinations of first year students. As you know, IP exams are going to be conducted from 25th of October and many students are worrying about these exams because all these days you all have been going through second year classes, second year syllabus, etc. So it's okay, you can start it now also. And it is a reminder to all of you that IPE weightage has been removed for MSET. So whatever you score in IPE, those marks are just for IPE and will not be taken for MSET. So now, what subject to start? It is better if you start physics because physics has limited number of questions and you can complete it within 5 days. Like for 8 marks, one day is enough, and for 4 marks, you can spend 2 days, and for 2 marks also you can spend 2 days. For 8 marks, it's enough if you read 3 questions perfectly, and for 4 marks, it's enough if you read 7 questions perfectly because you have to attempt 6 questions, and for 2 marks, you have to refer all the chapters because you have no chance in that 2 marks. But in 4 and 8, you have a great choice. So it's enough if you read limited number of questions. And then coming to maths. So maths, it's better if you complete Telugu Academy book because if you complete Telugu Academy, it will be useful for MSET also. But if you complete only important questions, then those questions will be enough only for IPE and will not be of great use to MSET because if you solve only important questions, you will not get a grip on the concepts. You will not you cannot know how to solve other questions. So it's better if you prefer to solve all the Telugu academic questions. But if you have no time and if you have no interest and if you think that you cannot do that, then just go with important questions. You can score good in IPE, but again it will be difficult for MSET. So it's my suggestion to start to do all the chapters from Telugu Academy. And then coming to chemistry. In chemistry, it's better if you read organic from Telugu Academy because it will be useful for MSET also and IPE also. If you read organic from study material, you cannot understand concepts well. That's the reason it's better you prefer organic. And if you think that you have no time, then go with study material. And from all the remaining chapters, complete 8 marks and 4 marks. However, every year the questions will be repeated, so many of you might know the important questions, and if you don't know, we will upload important questions and topics in our Telegram channel Learn with the Learner. You can visit it and see the important questions, model papers, etc. This is for now. We will come back again with new videos. Till then, please like, share and subscribe our video.